Yeah.
Hey, Layla, I would love to hear how class has been for you.
So, as you know, I was already making oils, and balms and tinctures and salves and stuff before I came across your course. But I realized I was kind of like just doing it and like just doing it like just really intuitively. And I never really had that faith in my oils because even though they would come out smelling nice, I would still use the heating method in my crock pot. um, so yeah, ever since I started, learning from you and using the technique that you show us, it's just like boosted the quality of my oils like a million times. And like even people who interact with my oils and stuff, they notice the difference too. And I've noticed the difference with people who never saw my older stuff and they've experienced my newer stuff and they're like, wow, this is insane. So yeah, it's great. It's great. I'm so happy. I feel very honored to be doing this work though, because I feel like this is a very, very important work for the human mind as well. I think that the reason that we are where we are right now is because the human mind is so unwell. And like as a collective. And I think that by promoting this kind of healing modality, we are kind of introducing a way to help people to slow down and to just love themselves more. And then from there, it kind of just trickles down and trickles out and just unties some of the crazy knots that we have in our society. So, yeah.
And so you really see it as a remedy for society, for people. It's like it's a modality, a healing modality that really needs to be brought into the consciousness as something that's an option for anybody, right?
Yeah, exactly. One of the main reasons that I'm in Ottawa right now is because my mom is here and she's we're going through some medical stuff, some heavy stuff. And just about an hour ago, she had a backache, and I used my white sage oil. And I gave her a little back rub, and she was going to take like Tylenol and stuff and all of this like pain relief stuff. And she's like, why don't you just give me a back rub first? And so I rubbed her back and I laid with her for a while. And then she's like, yeah, I don't need the medication anymore.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is what it's all about. Helping us
exactly.
for the meds right off the bat. Can the herbs help us first instead?
Yeah, exactly. And while I was waiting for this meeting to start taking place, I just thought like, how have I not been rubbing her feet every single night since I got here? So I think I'm just gonna start practicing that, start like offering this to my mother. Part of this journey now is calling towards like actually attending to my mom and helping her out with these oils.
Beautiful. What a sacred gift that you can help your mom.
It is indeed. Yeah, and thank you for just all the work that you do in the world. I'm so inspired by you, and I'm so grateful that humanity has somebody like you. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank
you. Yeah, it's an honor to meet you and to do the work with you, and I will continue. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
I wish you the best with your mom, and there's nothing more sacred than rubbing your mother's feet with oil. That is an ancient tradition.
It is indeed. It's time.
It's an ancient. I have chills right now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I just got them again. So that tells you that is what we are here to do.
Yeah.